So far we've talked about email, we've talked about creative assets and data, and one of the most important channels to folks in this room are taking those creative assets and delivering them in beautiful, personalized emails. And so this next sneak is all about going from beautiful design to a fully coded, personalized email in seconds. And to show it all off, it's called Project WiseWire, and we have Vishesh.
Vishesh!
Hi, Eric. Hi, Liza. Hi, everyone. This is a travel email my creative team at Weekend has designed in Adobe Express. Normally, I take this and build it piece by piece inside my Journey Optimizer's email editor. But with Project WiseWire, that's about to change. Now I can connect and pull assets directly from Adobe Express. Right here in the workflow, I'll choose the asset my team has designed, drop it in the canvas, and bring it in. The AI is reading the design. It's understanding the structure, the sections, the visual hierarchy, and translating the entire thing into production-ready email HTML. And here's what's remarkable. It went into my brand's data, content, and assets, analyzed what fits in, and reused them in this brand-compliant email, all without writing a single line of code. That's hours of work gone in seconds. There's an AI suggestion at the top telling me to personalize the content. Right now, it's full of static values, like greeting name, contact details. One click, and it maps every piece of static content to the right customer profile data and applies it across the entire section. Isn't that a great time saver?
Yeah, very cool, bud.
What would normally require careful manual mapping, now done instantly with precision. But that's just the surface. I want this email to go much deeper. I want each traveler to see rich personalized trip details and destination recommendations coming from live booking system. This kind of depersonalization usually means writing complex expression logic by hand. Project WiseWire brings AI assistant in the personalization editor. Now I can describe what I want in plain language, and Project WiseWire builds the personalization logic for me. Hey, Liza, I need your input here.
Okay.
Let's say you are our traveler. You have earned the miles. You have got the time off. Where will you like to go? To beach or to mountains?
Those are the only two choices?
Right now, we support these two. Our booking system is between beaches and mountains.
This technology only supports beaches or mountains.
Yeah.
I can't do a little of both? I can't do like a half and half, like a combo?
To what you are more inclined
He's
towards.
sweating. He's just like urine dripping. All right. Well, you know what? We'll say mountains because everyone says beach. We'll go mountains.
Sure.
Okay.
Lovely. Let's use that. My prompt asks to show miles earned, loyalty status, and filter destination by beach and mountains. Sorry. I hit generate, and all the logic, all the conditions, and it goes to all the building the logic and connecting to live system. Look at what is just generated.
Look at all that code. Look at all that code. Look at all that value you get.
The big part is you don't have to write it yourself. You just describe what you want, and it generates for you.
Okay.
The resulting expression, ready to apply. I have gone from a flat design to a built email, personalized it, and now connected it to live data. Let's take it even further. For this lounge section, I want each traveler to feel energized and refreshed. Let me get the right messaging in. I'll ask the AI assistant to generate a vibrant and energized message. It quickly analyzes and generates a text that's aligned with my brand guidelines. I asked for energize, and it came back with coffee. It understands the audience and the email vibe. Now I need the matching visuals for this newly generated text. Normally, I'd be scrolling through hundreds of assets trying to find the right one. Project WiseWire uses AI-powered asset selector. This text was generated a few moments ago. Let's see what the selector recommends. Wow, look at that. All coffee, different styles, different energy. Perfect visual to what this section needs, all coming from my asset collections.
Are those children drinking coffee? I can't tell if it's children or Sydney Sweeney. Like, I can't tell what's happening. Maybe you just drop your kids off for the day and let them go crazy.
Just in case they might be thirsty.
They could be Italian.
Yeah.
We don't know. He's gone, but he would have loved that joke.
Okay, now I have a personalized, data-driven email with refreshing content and matching visuals. Now, the big question, does it all actually come together? Validating a personalized email like this, every condition, every logic, every dynamic content, that's where the real time goes.
Oh.
With project-wise wire, validation and testing has been reimagined too. I hit generate, and all the logic, all the dynamicity, all the preferences are considered, and project-wise wire generates meaningful preview scenarios based upon every combination of content of this email. Our first variant here has 32K points, and to reach gold status, they are shy away from 18K miles. The next variant, having 72K points, they are 28K miles away from reaching the platinum status. And Eliza, look at the destinations, all filtered by mountains.
They're all mountains, just like we talked about.
Exactly the preference we logged in. And all tailored to the needs of different variations of data. Different traveler, different data. And the email adapts
Oh, very cool.
with all data personalized, resolved, and validated. A few moments ago, that was a flat design in Adobe Express. I have turned it into a built email, personalized it, connected it to live data, built audience-specific variants, and validated every scenario. Without rebuilding by hand, without writing code, without developer handoffs, and without manual testing. The entire journey from design to delivery reimagined. That's Project Wisewire. If you like what you saw, make sure to
Yeah.
scan and vote. Thank you.
Woo! Awesome. Thank you, Vishesh.
It does look like the plane is taking off into the afterlife.